If you want to play a specific song that has sharps or flats in it, and your kalimba doesn't have those notes, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to do it. You will need a tuning app on your smartphone. I like to use Tuner T1. Most kalimbas have standard notes that go C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, and then they repeat in a higher octave. For your specific song, you may need a C sharp, in which case you would tune the C upwards. If you needed a C flat, which is also known as a B, you would need to tune it downwards. The same with other notes like D. Upwards would be sharp, downwards would be flat, and so on. Assuming that we need a F sharp, if we play the note F, we can see it's coming up perfectly as an F on the tuning app. But what we need to do is, because we want to move up one semitone to F sharp, we're going to need to hit it this way. If we wanted to tune it downwards, we would hit it this way. So let's do that now. We're only going to go a little bit and then we're going to adjust. So we're still in the F territory. We just need to go a little bit more. And now the note is actually F sharp. I'm going to go just a little bit more just to fine tune that note. We're in the green. I'm quite happy with that. So we've got C, D, E, F sharp, and G. One important thing is that when we are finished playing this song, you will want to likely tune the note back to F. And this is just because next time you come back and try to play that F, it will sound weird and you won't know why. Tuning your kalimba to sharps or flats is only one aspect of the learning journey with the kalimba. So if you do want to take your learning further, I highly recommend downloading the Kalimba starter course. I will put a link in the description so that you can check that out. Thank you so much for watching.